My dear viewers, today I am uploading my lecture, only 2 slides, on topic of the masonry. Masonry. What is masonry? The type of masonry and the methodology of masonry. So this topic is very important topic for the engineers. I request the engineers to please go through my lectures, only 2 slides each day. In this slide, I have uploaded the link of my YouTube channel, for which I request you to please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel so that I can enhance my lectures and I can do better and better day by day. Thank you very much. Viewers, after 3 or 4 months, this uploading of this topic on masonry, the definition of masonry, the type of masonry, the methodology of masonry, and all that we discussed previously also. But on request of the viewers, once again I am uploading this lecture to you, but slide by slide. I will not upload all the 9 slides or 10 slides at a time, but I will upload maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 slides at a time so that you can read it and you can go through my speaking. I'm thankful to you, my dear engineers, the architects, and the construction companies, those who appreciated my work. So please go through all the slides one by one, and this is the first slide I am uploading to you. Hope you will really absorb it and you will like it. The engineers, I am talking about the engineers. Thank you. Dear viewers and dear listeners, in previous slide number 1, we discussed about the bricks masonry, and in this slide we will discuss about the stone masonry. In fact, the stone masonry is defined as the stone, the stone is defined as the stone is the strongest material, durable, and weather resistance also. It is stronger than the concrete blocks, is stronger than the bricks, is stronger than any other material used in the masonry. There are 2 types of masonry in this stone masonry. Number 1 is rubble masonry, and number 2 is ashlar masonry. You can see the picture also in this slide, and you can go through the entire slide. You can read it and you will understand what is rubble masonry and what is ashlar masonry. So I hope you will learn something, especially the students of engineering colleges and universities and the junior engineers. So hope you will learn. And if there is any question in any of the slides in your thoughts, please feel free to ask me. Thank you very much.